Phone close, phone show, need a phone hoe. Phone money, phone honey, sipping phone foe.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a very long time. It's more than 2-3 weeks I've not uploaded, so sorry for that, guys. I've been very busy, personal stuff. So yeah, so we're heading to Kerala to Cronyz Customs.
Cronyzಗೆ crayons ಅಂತ್ಯಾ ಸುಳೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸುಳೆ ಮಗನೇ.
I don't know if I'm right. So he is going to be modding. It's a small mod we're going to do. It's a flame kit mod and another surprise. I don't know, should I just call it up? Yeah, I'll just tell it out. It's a headlight mod and a frame kit. So yeah, guys, we'll be heading out now. We're going night journey, so we can't any cops coming behind us, so we're going in the night. It'll be a little more safer. So yeah, let's we'll head out. See you guys in the ride. It's not crazy mods. It's just few mods. I mean, what I should say. भाई सबका बकचोदी है भाई, मेरा बात ही नहीं सुनते कोई.
I just can't do it. I can't take this shit no more, man.
कोई नहीं सुनेगा भाई.
कोई यार सही ला पानी
तू ना नन ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ
यार तल्लप्ಪ ಸರಿ. So guys, I'm here.
Oh, shiver my timbers! Shut up, man!
ಸರಿ ಪಾಪ
ಅವನು ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್, ಅವನು ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್,
content creators here. What the so guys, we're going to Kerala tonight. We're going to travel in the night and yeah, we're traveling in the night. We're going to, what is that called? Cronyz Customs, right? Cronyz. Oh yeah, Cronyz Customs. Kerala to what ra? If you laugh, I'm not fucking taking video. A little free. We are getting ready for the vroom drag meet. And hey, so guys, we'll be heading to Kerala. We're going to finally we are here at Cronyz Customs. Huh?
Cronyz Customs.
Okay, Cronyz Customs. So yeah, we came. It's big long night, jumbled up bloody ass journey. We actually stopped at Wayanad. The map showed at Wayanad, and unfortunately we wasted so much time. But still, we reached in time here at around 8 o'clock. Finally, we are here without any hiccups. We were lost like puppies. Two days, man. I just kept it open because it'll be cool sometimes. Very long night. So this is the place I'm getting my stuff done. Looks really neat. It's crazy.
Come talk, never my craft.
So, car wash. Well, just waiting for him now. He'll be arriving here in some time. We'll give the keys to him or keep the car here. We'll go freshen up and we'll come back, I guess. And yeah, we'll see what happens next. Stay tuned. Thanks.
Loudly you tell ra.
Huh? Oh, I'm bro. I have not had sleep. I have not slept. I can't talk loudly. It's paining.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Daughter.
Look at that depressed man. I need sleep, bro. Shit. Okay. Really, that thing is really bright. Okay, so welcome back, guys. Now, man, I was sleeping the whole time. I was really sleepy. We also later we got a rental, as you can see there. And now we are here at his place after I woke up just some time back. He's still working on it. Basically, right now he's just playing with the timing. He's playing with the timing of the car right now.
Talk loudly.
And then, yeah, I'm talking loudly. Dude. Okay, so as you can see, he's you can see. So right now he's playing. He's doing the wiring for the flame. Right now, the outcome which I'm be showing you in the video at this moment. So yeah, you'll be seeing that somewhere here or there, wherever the editor does it. It's basically me only, obviously. So yeah, right now there's no power, but still he's working on my car. Really, it's crazy. Damn. Really nice
It's
guy.
Tazi, no?
Tazi, Tata.
Hi.
So this is how it looks as of now.
Loudly.
Oh man, wait, let me just give me a little listen. So this is how it looks as of now, and we'll see tomorrow. And I just can't wait, man. Yeah, that video, crazy, bro. That blue flames, it looks so good. I just can't wait to see what is up for tomorrow. Let's just hope everything goes well. So I'll be seeing you tomorrow morning. Too bright. So now is the next day, and we are at the garage after we ate our brunch, and the person was checking all the problems in the car. There was little oil leaks. That was not a major issue, which could be fixed over time. So yeah, that'll be done really soon. At the same time, we had a lot of faults in the suspension and as well as on the drive shaft, but that is all. It is fixable. Could be done. So we'll be solving that in the future coming videos probably. And for now, he's just getting ready for all the attachments to be placed where you have to place the spark plug on the exhaust side. So while they were fitting the flame kit, we just headed out for a while to the beach near Calicut. Then later, my friend gets a message that it's done after a few hours, that the flame kit has been placed, fitted, and then we headed back, and then we just took a video of the flames. Oh, it just came out really, really well. Never expected that. And then later on, we just headed for a small ride. I told him to drive so that we would see how it would be from the back of the car. And damn, that just looked so good, as you can see on the video.
Oh my god! Wow!
Didn't expect that at all. I thought it's gonna be orange flames, but it's blue.
Man's
He
owning
told-
a city with the flamethrower and driving a Swift. Nice.
Okay. That's for the content. It's for you guys.
AC on.
I'm doing this all
Windows
for you guys.
open. And soft culture.
See, I'm doing this all for the content, guys. Please. Bro, guys, do check him out.
Content creator.
Cronyz Customs, if I'm right again. Cronyz Customs, guys. I'll put everything in the description. If you want, I can put it on the screen, whatever. Map, Google Map, whatever you want. Everything will be provided, guys. Yeah. Let's continue. This car is not able to get that car, bro. What the hell? Swift, bro. It's a new Swift, at least. Man, but that's an old car. I should give a hats off, bro, really. The way they built that car's engine, that thing drives differently. I can tell by driving this car. You can tell how fast that car goes than this one. See how? It's just lifting. I'm not able to lift. I mean, this is stock, but still. Even that car being stock, it will still do the same thing. Not gonna like it. Oh damn, bro, she's amazing now. Stay tuned, guys. Do come to the vroom. I'll be there. We'll be doing a vlog for that. Please do stay tuned. I can't wait. I can't wait to meet all of you. It's gonna be really fun, guys. He's gonna show up in vroom. I hope he did say he's gonna come. So I'm gonna be waiting for him as well. Oh, this is gonna be so fun, bro. You.
It could have been much better, if we took the video and dialed.
Yeah, actually.
No, this lighting is also very good.
It's fine. It's good lighting. I think there's some correction. If possible, I think it'll be fine. He's been doing this for 14 years, guys. Just amazing. So it came out really, came out really good. I don't see this in Bangalore.
It's also going to get polished more.
Polished.
Now it's just
So it's going to be even more
better. I mean, it's going to be like a glass finish.
glass finish. It already looks like glass finish to me.
Oh, DJ, you look better on the reflection than the real life.
Okay, bro.
It's the carbon fiber.
So, guys,
So you took the garage video now?
Yeah,
yeah.
Already?
yesterday.
You just introduce the people.
Oh.
So his name is Rajeesh.
Hi.
So guys, he's the one who has done the plane kit for my car. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy, to be honest. You can see the smile on my face and excitement. So yeah, if you want to tell anything else is also
Welcome aboard, bro. That's the only thing I have to say. I just want to say that's it.
He does everything, guys. Just painting, from hydro dipping, flame kit, tuning also, right? Yeah, tuning as well.
Right.
Whatever you name it. He'll
The
do.
single pit stop except mechanical work for now.
He does everything.
Tell the location.
Location, everything will be
Kerala.
all in the description.
Okay.
Kerala. Description, guys. Just check it.
If I have to say the address and all, nobody's going to get that.
Yeah. The description is
The names and all right.
Yeah.
Cherali, Elankur Road, so it's going to be quite difficult for everyone.
Yeah.
So,
It's going to be somewhere else.
Exact location will be given.
Right.
It will be given in the description, guys. Please do check it out. His channel is also in Instagram. Please do check it out.
you're happy, right?
Yes. Thank you so much, bro. Amazing. Guys, headlights is not ready yet. As he will come back. So, guys, everything is going to be in the description. Do check it out. His
10th
channel,
time.
Instagram channel.
10th time you're telling.
Yes.
After this,
Just
you
telling again because why not, bro? You've done such a great job. Just thankful.
Thank you.
So, guys, headlight. Right now it's not ready. It's getting ready. It will be
So
ready.
the concept on that, we have done that design in Honda City Type 2. So,
First city to have that type of headlight. So
that's how it's going to pop.
yes, it will be. It will be. If it's from you, it's going to be definitely amazing. So guys, yeah, be it. We'll move.
So you're gonna go back?
Yeah. Just
Sure.
be safe. And then we'll do. Yeah.
Safety.
Yeah. Thank you, bro.
Happy drive.
Yes.